France is famous for its capital city, Paris, which is known as the City of Lights and is home to famous landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower. The Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral. Other popular destinations in France include the French Riviera, the Palace of Versailles, the Champagne region, and the French Alps. France is also renowned for its gastronomy, which includes classic dishes such as coq au vin, boeuf bourguignon, and croissants. The country is also known for its wine production, with regions such as Bordeaux, Burgundy, and Champagne producing some of the world's finest wines. France has a rich history that includes significant contributions to art, literature, philosophy, and science. Some of the most prominent French figures throughout history include Napoleon Bonaparte, Joan of Arc, Claude Monet, Victor Hugo, and Marie Curie. Today, France is a member of the European Union and is known for its strong economy, high standard of living, and commitment to social welfare programs. France is renowned for its exquisite cuisine, and for good reason. French cuisine is a melting pot of traditions, techniques, and flavors, with a focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients, and a deep respect for food culture and history. French cuisine is a melting pot of traditions, techniques, and flavors, with a focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients, and a deep respect for food culture and history. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the culinary wonders of France, including some of the country's most iconic dishes and specialties. French cuisine, a brief history. French cuisine has a long and storied history, dating back to the Middle Ages. It was during this time that French chefs began to develop the techniques and methods that would eventually lead to the creation of some of the world's most beloved dishes. The Renaissance and Enlightenment period saw the introduction of new ingredients and flavors, as well as a focus on presentation and aesthetics. During the 19th and 20th centuries, French cuisine became more refined and sophisticated, thanks in part to the work of famous chefs like Auguste Escoffier and Paul Bocuse. Today, French cuisine is still revered around the world for its elegance, precision, and creativity. Iconic French dishes. There are countless classic French dishes that have become staples of the country's cuisine. Here are just a few of the most famous. Coq au vin. This hearty stew is made with chicken braised in red wine, along with bacon, mushrooms, and onions. It's a perfect comfort food for chilly evenings. Boeuf bourguignon. Another classic French stew, boeuf bourguignon features beef that has been slow-cooked in red wine, along with vegetables like carrots, onions, and mushrooms. Boeuf bourguignon, another classic French stew. Boeuf bourguignon features beef that has been slow-cooked in red wine. Along with vegetables like carrots, onions, and mushrooms. Ratatouille. This vegetarian dish is made with a variety of vegetables, including eggplant, zucchini, peppers, and tomatoes, and is flavored with garlic and herbs. Quiche Lorraine. A savory pie made with eggs, cream, and bacon. Quiche Lorraine